Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving the statistics previous year questions. So this question is telling us that in an examination involving the multiple choice questions, a student works out the solution in 50% of the questions. In the remaining questions, the student guesses the answers. Okay, so I think many of the students do this type of things in our examination. So sorry. So, however, when the answer is guessed, the probability that this is correct, the sorry, guessed the probability that it is correct is minus 0.30. Okay. So, when the student works out the solutions, it may be wrong. The probability will be 0.10. So if the answer of the particular question is correct, so what is the probability that the student guessed the answers? So these are the options, which is my 0.25, 0.50, 0.90 and 0.30. So we have to think how to do that. So the given data is what? So the probability that the student guesses the answer, let us call it PG, that will be my 0.50. Okay. So now what will be the probability that the student works out the solution, that is PW, so which is my 0.50, because they are the half and the half questions. So probability that the answer is correct if guessed, so that is my conditional probability. Yeah, so that will be my 0.30, and the probability that the answer is correct if worked out, so my P, yeah, so that will be 1 minus 0.10, so that is my 0.90. So we need to calculate this thing, that means the probability G vaccine. So the probability that the student guessed the answer given that it is correct. So we have to use the Bayes theorem in this thing, in this question. We have to use the Bayes theorem. So the Bayes theorem, so the Bayes theorem stated as my PGXC, so that will be equals to P, yeah, this, and that will be PG by that will be PC. So my PC is what? My PC is equals to this into my PG and the and this into my PW. So now I think we all got the things which is required here. Yeah, yeah, we all got the things. So we can calculate my PC. So PC will be my, this thing is, I think this is, yeah, this is 0.30, and PG is what? PG is my 0.50. Okay. And this thing is 0.90 is given up above, and this thing PW is my 0.50. So what will be this? So this is 3 and 5, so that will be my 0.15 plus this thing 9 into 5, so that will be 0.45. Yeah, so my PC is equals to 0.60. So now we have to calculate this thing, that means PG back C, so that will be, let me change my color, that is equals to PCG into my PG by our PC. So this thing is my P, yeah, 0.30 into 0.50, that means this only, yeah. by our 0.60, so that is equals to my 0.15 by 0.60. So that will be, yeah, this is 1 by 4, and we know that our 1 by 4 can be written as 0.25. So this is the correct answer of this question. So our, yeah, so this thing, so this option is my correct option, which is my option A. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.